If you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to adjust and optimize your settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Access the game options. Launch The Sims 4 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options button to open the Game Settings menu. Step 2. Select Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section allows you to adjust various visual settings that affect how the game looks and performs. Step 3. Adjust Quality Settings. Within the Graphics tab, you will see options for graphics quality. Use the slider to adjust the overall quality to a setting that balances performance and visual fidelity based on your computer's capabilities. Step 4. Change Resolution. Look for the Screen Resolution setting in the Graphics tab. Choose a resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual experience, or lower it if you're experiencing lag. Step 5. Save and restart. After making your adjustments, click the Apply Changes button to save your settings. It may be beneficial to restart the game to ensure all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize the graphics settings in The Sims 4 for a smoother gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in the game.